I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. This is the magnetic neck holder for your smartphone. You may be wondering how people do some videos, like where they're doing hands-on, where you can see their hands doing something, perhaps cooking, maybe a day in the life, maybe something like putting together Lego. Well, a lot of these creators are using either a neck strap like this or an overhead camera. But today we're going to look at this neck strap, and you'll notice right off the bat they have a magnetic ring right here in the front, and that's going to allow your smartphone to go ahead and be connected to it, just like that, using the MagSafe technology on Apple phones. Or if you're using a non-Apple or non-Qi compliant phone, it does include a ring, a magnetic ring that you could stick on your phone to give you that magnetic capability. Of course, the arm here is fully adjustable in a few different spots, so you can get it to the angle and the space that you really would like. Fully customizable, of course, all the way down to being very, very, very narrow. So if you have to get something very close up, this might work perfectly. On the rear of the neck strap, there is a padded piece that will go right between the breast plate on your body so that you'll have some protection in case someone hits you there. You're not going to hurt yourself. When it comes to actually putting it on, you'll notice right off the bat that it's really too small to go over my head. So what they've done is they've added a little button here on the side that opens up this piece. And then all of a sudden, you can now put it over your face like this, lock it into place, and just like that, you're ready to use it. Do you look a little odd with this on? Yeah, absolutely. I wouldn't say it would be something I would wear out and about in perhaps, let's say, something like the Met Gala or, some fancy event. But for our usage, it makes perfect sense. And of course, you can use the cameras, and then you have access to everything that's in front of you. So let's take a look, and we'll do a live demonstration of how this would work. So let's go ahead and hit record on my phone. And here we have a phone that we want to just show someone how to install perhaps a SIM card to. So we'll go ahead, we'll grab the SIM eject tool, and we'll see where the SIM eject tool goes in this phone, which is on the bottom here. And you want to keep looking at the actual camera on your phone so you can make sure you're in the right spot. And of course, you can just go ahead and line it up, and just like that, you'll push it in and take out the SIM eject tool. And just like that, you've shown and done a quick demo of how you would use this piece on your day in, day out life. We'll stop the recording and we'll go ahead and remove this. And just like that, you're ready to go. Super easy to use. And like I said, it's not going to be the perfect choice for everybody. There are overhead choices that you can do for a camera, but as a simple and easy way to do something, it works perfectly. I will put a full description below, and you can see if this product is the right one for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.